One of the best parts about having raised beds is that you can design the soil that you want to put into them. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fertilize your beds and keep your soil performing all through the season. The key to a nutrient-rich bed is to start with great natural ingredients, high-quality topsoil, a generous amount of compost, and a healthy mix of other organic matter like shredded leaves, aged manure, mushroom compost, and more. When you take the time and investment to add high-quality ingredients going in, your efforts are well rewarded with nutrient-rich soil. But as your plants respond to such a favorable environment, the plant roots will quickly take up a lot of the available nutrients in the bed. Think of your garden soil as a bank account, and as the plant roots are taking up nutrient withdrawals, we need to think about coming back periodically and making nutrient deposits, and I do that in a couple ways. I always top dress my garden beds twice each year with about 1 inch of homemade and/or purchased compost. There's nothing like making it yourself, but if you're like me, you always need more than you can make, so be sure to find a quality supplier if you're purchasing compost in bulk or by the bag. And there's something else I do when I'm top dressing my beds between seasons. I'm adding a supplemental dose of a slow-release organic source of primary nutrients, especially nitrogen. I sprinkle it to the surface, but if you prefer, you can work it lightly into the soil. While you can add organic fertilizer anytime during the growing season, I like to add it at the start to give my plants and soil every opportunity to make the most of the supplemental benefits I'm adding. And because it's slow release, that's a good thing, so time is your friend. And during the growing season, I'm periodically adding a water-soluble liquid organic fertilizer, such as fish emulsion, for a fast-acting source of nutrients at key times during the process. The bottom line is, for a nutrient-rich raised garden bed, you need to start with really healthy soil. So that means lots of organic matter and especially compost. And then you can supplement the soil with some organically derived sources of primary nutrients that are non-burning and slow release. And then, if you need a little boost along the way during the growing season, try a water-soluble, fast-acting organic fertilizer like fish emulsion. And just remember, across the board, a little bit goes a long way. But if you continue to make those nutrient deposits throughout the season, your garden will reward you with a very high return on your investment.